We developed a project weed detection system, and by using AI driven weed detection system, we imported the libraries SK SK preprocessing, TensorFlow, Keras, and we take the data set is deep feeds. We are taking the deep feeds data set. The data set code is this. They having 14,007 validated images belonging to 9 classes, and 17,051 validated images belonging to the 9 classes. We are using VGG 16, VGG 19, DenseNet 201 exception models. By using these models, we have the accuracy only 80%. So it is not correct. So that's why we improve the accuracy by using LSTM models and ResNet models. So this is the combination of VGG16 LSTM accuracy by training LSTM to the VGG16, and the combination of exception LSTM accuracy, and this is the VGG16 LSTM accuracy and loss. This is the combination of VGG19 LSTM accuracy and loss, and these are the model VGG DenseNet exception, DenseNet LSTM accuracy and loss combination. This is the exception LSTM combination of accuracy and loss. By using VG, using LSTM and ResNet also. By using VGG16 LSTM and ResNet combination, we improved the accuracy. VGG16 LSTM ResNet accuracy. This is the VGG19 LSTM ResNet combination of accuracy and loss. This is the DenseNet LSTM ResNet accuracy and loss. And last one, exception LSTM ResNet combination of accuracy and loss. So we improve this by using LSTM ResNet combinations. So thank you.